In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a TurboTax account and verify your email. We'll walk through the complete sign-up process on the official TurboTax website so you can get set up quickly and securely. All you'll need is a working email address and a strong password you can remember. Start by opening your web browser and going directly to the official TurboTax site. You can type the address into the bar or search for TurboTax, then choose the result that clearly shows the trusted domain. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar and make sure the URL is correct before moving on. On the TurboTax homepage, find the Sign Up or Create Account option, usually located at the top right of the screen, and click it. This opens the account creation page where you'll enter your basic details. First, enter your email address. Type it carefully and double-check for typos, because TurboTax will send you a verification message. Next, create a username. Pick something unique that you'll recognize later. If the one you want is taken, the site may suggest alternatives. Choose one that's easy for you to remember. Then create your password. Make it long, avoid using the same password you use elsewhere, and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If a password manager suggests a strong option, that's a great choice. Review any on-screen password requirements and make sure you meet them. Once your email, username, and password are set, review any prompts on the page, such as acknowledging terms or privacy disclosures, and then select the button to create your account. After submitting, watch for a confirmation that a verification email has been sent. Now, go to your email inbox. Look for a new message from TurboTax or Intuit. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or junk folder, and search your inbox for the brand name just in case it was filtered. Open the message and click the Verify email or Confirm link inside. This link brings you back to the TurboTax site and confirms your address. If you're asked to sign in, use the username or email and the password you just created. You're all set. Your TurboTax account is ready to use, and your email is verified. Be sure to keep your login details safe, avoid signing in on untrusted devices, and always sign out when you're done, especially on shared computers.